phrasing while bending. So that means the different types of bend ideas you can use. The most common one would be the standard bend and release. So let me try that in a few notes. Let's go on this bend on the 7th fret here and let's do that. So and of course, after you bend and release, you're gonna go and do something else in the scale and just end the phrase. We could do that in a different bend. Same with the semitone bends. So you bend, you release, you move on with the rest of the lick. That's the basic phrasing for bends.